Hey, what is up, everybody? So I'm back with a follow-up of a video I had posted a few weeks ago, and it was on my 2022 GMC Sierra. As I stated there, just random out of the way one day, I'm driving on my way to work, and the tailgate just fell on its own. You know, just randomly failed, and couldn't figure out for the likes of it what took place. And to say the least, I was a little bit upset because I was pulling my enclosed trailer right there, and it fell on the trailer jack. Several days later, I get home and the wife tells me, "Did you see the news story this morning?" I'm like, "No." So she went back and showed it to me, and GMC issued a recall for exactly what took place with the tailgate falling, because people had been claiming, well, let me say not a recall, they put out a bulletin. And I've spoken with my with the Chevrolet GMC personally at their customer service number, because this morning I am on my way to get my tailgate back, which I paid out of pocket, but they told me that I would be able to file a claim to be reimbursed for this issue. Now the problem I'm having is, are they going to be able to fix the issue that it doesn't release again? I don't know if it's faulty software or wiring or what. I've read over it. It was kind of, mundane about it. But I'll be back shortly, so you'll see my truck with the tailgate back on it, because it was ready yesterday, but I was out of town. So let me head off, and I'll pick you up. All right, I'm about to pull out the yard and head to the auto collision place where my tailgate is to pick it up. Hopefully everything is spot on. I would say perfection, but I understand we live in an imperfect world, and there was only one perfect person who died for our sins. But I am hoping for something extraordinary, that I will be pleased with the work they did. They've done work for me before, and it was very, very nice. So we're gonna see if this works out again. Because if it don't, I'm gonna tell them to fix it. Yeah. Yeah, the face says it all. Yes, that's that look when you pissed off. So I got my tailgate back for my GMC, my 2022 GMC Sierra today from the collision place. I did not notice it until I got home, so I had to go all the way back there, and apparently the painter must have had something on his hands, and you couldn't see it when it was in the shop. Being honest, I went back and reviewed my camera footage, and you cannot see it. So I had to take it back. They took it back off again, but this time they only took the upper part of my tailgate. But yeah, I'm a little aggravated and agitated about that right there, because if that's your profession, you should have seen that. I'm just saying. I try to be a perfectionist at everything I do. I'm not perfect. None of us are. But he made a mistake, and now they have to go back and refix it. So they were saying that it should be ready tomorrow evening. Get him to fix it today, and it's going to have to be sprayed. So we'll see.